Today on Designing Spaces, how solar battery storage combined with solar panels can save you money, HV mini split options for the home, summer pool tip, why pool water turns green and how to prevent it, and upgrading your windows. Time to design. Did you know solar energy has grown over 250% in the last 5 years, with residential installations now exceeding 5 million homes across the U.S.? Solar is no longer a new energy source. It's become the primary solution for homeowners taking control of their electricity costs. And with a solar battery system, homeowners can now keep the lights on even during extended outages, which have increased over the last few years due to more severe weather and grid instability.
Dealing with rising energy becomes part of the whole picture of your feeling like you're creating a financially stable situation for your family.
And so if we're able to save through energy costs through solar, I think it allows us to be able to do different things and branch out to other options that we can help being able to spend more time with our family. Our family is really busy. We're all over the place all the time.
We're always running in and out, and that we're a very fun, loving family, super active.
So we're expending a lot of energy as well.
For David and his family, the move to solar plus energy storage are a natural fit, especially as the average U.S. electricity rates have increased 30% in the last 5 years. Thus, battery storage economics have become increasingly more attractive to them, but finding the right solar energy solution is critical.
Just knowing you don't have to depend on the grid in order to have that source, even in an emergency, that we will be able to rely on ourselves versus relying on the power grid. The biggest thing for me for solar is saving money.
We live in a very different utility environment now than we ever have. So increased utility rates, power outages in the areas. So a solar plus storage solution is really the answer to that. We want to grow energy together. That's really what we're doing with SolarEdge Nexus, really bringing to life something that's attainable for homeowners, every single homeowner, making solar easy, simple, budget conscious. It also allows us to take up minimal footprint, about 40% less space, and will charge 2 times faster. It's a simplified solution that's only going to take a half a day for an installer and is something that we can fit around any budget.
And just how does that technology work? Helping the family learn fact from fiction is Gavin Campbell from ES Solar.
With the new SolarEdge Nexus, we have the ability to stack by basically 5 kilowatt hour blocks. They're just pretty much click and play, which is really nice. That's kind of the main goal, is that it is operating independently. You're not doing anything to control it, or you don't have to tell the battery to charge or discharge or anything like that. There's no maintenance that you need to do, and nothing that you need to. With SolarEdge and with ES Solar, we have the ability to monitor your system. And so it's continuously looking to make sure that your solar panels are producing as much as they should be. We have warranties on some of the products for up to 25 years. And so same with the batteries. One of the best benefits with SolarEdge is that it will be one app that you monitor your system from. So both the battery production as well as your solar production will be in one app. And with that, you'll be able to see how much your solar panels are producing.
You're good. Feel pretty good about it.
We are a residential and commercial solar installer. So our primary focus for the last 4 or 5 years has been batteries and backup storage on homes, mostly residential. One of the things that sets SolarEdge apart, they're just kind of always at the forefront of the technology and what's coming next for the industry. Especially with the new system, the Nexus battery creates a better fit for the customer, gives a larger and more broad customer base for us to be able to go out and find the right fit for their home and for their needs.
ES Solar joined forces with SolarEdge to donate both the solar panels and Nexus battery system to the family. They created a gorgeous mural to commemorate David and Celestia's inspiring son, who recently passed away from cancer.
Been battling Ewing sarcoma for the past 4.5 years.
He was really good at having a really individual relationship with each of our kids. He's kind of the glue, we call him, for our family.
Yeah, he was the life of the party. Just made a huge impact on our community, his friends. It's definitely touching to see so many people step up and willing to help.
ES brought the Fia family to us as a concept, we really wanted to show the impact of what solar and storage can do for a family.
You know, when their story came across the table, it was a unanimous decision that we felt like this was the family that we felt would best suit the project. And then just working with them and seeing like the strength and the faith that they have has been a really cool experience.
Start your solar power journey at SolarEdge.com or find out more at designingspaces.tv. Home is where comfort matters most, and that means more than just heating and cooling. Homeowners today are looking for a system that's energy efficient, beautifully integrated into their home, and smart enough to fit the way they live. We headed to Maine to see how one home is adapting to a family's needs, quietly, efficiently, and without them having to think about it.
Samsung was the right choice for this home because of the versatility of the equipment, having a 4-zone multi-zone to take care of the second floor. It's got all smaller bedrooms, so we're able to do that with 1 outdoor unit and 4 heads, and then putting in 2 single-zone units to cover the first floor and the more main open areas.
The system has made the inside of the house a lot more comfortable. When you walk in from outside during the summertime, it's just refreshing.
Every home is different. That's why Samsung HVAC offers flexible solutions that can be customized to fit virtually any floor plan. A multi-zone system can combine duct and ductless indoor units into one intelligent system.
Being able to offer ductless and a ducted system really helps us out for those houses that may have an unfinished basement with a ton of room that we can run some ductwork through, or an attic space that we can put a unit up in there. So I think that all goes back to that versatility.
Homeowners should think of Samsung for the technology. We are a global leader, and we have all of the things that make their experience more comfortable. We have the SmartThings apps. We have the wind-free technology.
It's an amazing feature that in cooling mode, so some people don't like to feel the cold air blowing on them, but they like to have it cool in their house. Being able to put it in wind-free mode, it's going to cool the room, cool the space, but they're not going to get that cold breeze blowing straight on them.
Really helpful, like in my office, I don't feel it on my neck when I'm working.
The SmartThings app allows the homeowner to monitor, control, adjust temperature, as well as lights and appliances throughout the home, making it more efficient and more comfortable for the homeowner.
Many people have Samsung refrigerators or washers and dryers, and now they got a heat pump in their home. They can put it all in one app. They can control it. They can adjust. They can monitor. They can do all that right through the SmartThings app.
Samsung HVAC combines advanced heat pump technology with flexible system options, delivering year-round heating and cooling with personalized comfort, greater efficiency, and room-by-room control, all through one intelligent system.
The nice feature about the room by room is that my kids will, one likes it hot, one likes it cold. When I'm working in the office, I like it a little bit warmer. When we sleep, having it a little bit cooler, it's nice. You can switch it around very easily, and you can have the different temperatures at the same time.
So the multi-zone system is 1 outdoor unit condenser that is paired up with 4 indoor units. And what that does is it allows each room to have individual temperature control. Having the multi-zone, it limits the amount of outdoor equipment to keep the outdoor looking nice, but still cover as much square footage as possible.
Samsung equipment is personalized to fit the needs of the homeowner. We can make that happen, whether it's through a motion detection sensor that senses if somebody's in the room or not, and that saves energy if they're not.
The utility costs have gone down, and it's fabulous when you get the bill and you look at it and like, whoa, it's a lot cheaper.
We continue recommending Samsung HVAC to our customers for several reasons. One of them being the warranty on the equipment. They have a 12-year parts warranty. They offer a 1-year labor warranty where many other manufacturers don't. And then just overall, Samsung standing behind its product.
Today's homeowners shouldn't have to choose between comfort, efficiency, and beautiful design. Samsung HVAC delivers all 3 with flexible solutions that adapt to the unique needs of every home.
The flexibility of the equipment is what makes it a smart investment for the homeowners. We're able to put equipment in certain areas to maximize efficiencies, keep the overall cost down, the least amount of equipment being visible outside.
Samsung HVAC has exceeded my expectations with how quiet the units are, how efficient they are. Also using the smart app to control everything. It's just come in very handy.
Samsung offers a wide variety of applications that fits the residential market as well as provides comfort in the commercial buildings across North America. I believe it's that innovation and name recognition that resonates with homeowners, contractors, and engineers alike.
To learn more, head to samsunghvac.com or our website, designingspaces.tv. Nothing ruins a backyard oasis faster than a green pool. But what causes it? And more importantly, how do you stop it before it starts?
Green pool doesn't always mean algae, but typically it does. And that happens because of nutrients, the sunlight, water, and a lack of free available chlorine in your pool. If you don't have enough chlorine in your pool, you're going to get an algae bloom. And that could happen very, very quickly. You can watch your pool go from clean to green within a day.
Whether you're fighting algae or preventing it, good pool care starts with balanced water chemistry.
Now, although chlorine's our real hero in the story of fighting the green pool, it doesn't work by itself. We want to make sure that your pH is in the proper ranges. That helps your chlorine do its job. And we want to circulate the pool, making sure we're getting all that water through the filter every single day.
Algae also needs nutrients to grow. That's why balanced water chemistry and keeping debris out of the water are important steps in preventing algae growth. And if there's one maintenance task pool pros swear by, it's surprisingly simple.
The single most important thing you can do to prevent algae, besides having a proper dose of chlorine in your pool, is brushing. Staying on top of these things will keep your pool safe, clean, and clear.
HASA delivers professional-grade solutions you can trust. So remember, active chlorine, balanced water, good circulation, and proper filtration work together to help control algae and keep your pool swim-ready all season long. As always, HASA recommends working with a pool professional. But if you're tackling pool care yourself, start with quality products from Leslie's Pool Supply or your local pool specialty store. If you have any additional questions, you can visit HASA's AI assistant at crystalpool.com and designingspaces.tv. See you poolside. Let's be honest, most of us don't think about our windows. They're just there. But here's the thing, your windows are one of the hardest working parts of your home. And if they're old, outdated, or just not built for where you live, they could be costing you more than you realize in energy bills, comfort, and peace of mind.
On average, you can save up to 30% by replacing your windows and doors on your heating and cooling costs. That makes it more efficient for your home's HVAC units. That helps improve the maintenance, and you can actually reduce the amount of time you have to spend on maintaining your windows and the security.
For today's homeowners like Ty and Jennifer Gocher, that means hundreds of dollars flying out the window, literally.
We've lived in this house for 14 years. We built it. And over the time, we've spent a lot of money on energy bills. In Texas, it's hot, so a lot of electricity is used for air conditioning.
And then when you get a cold snap every once in a while, it also is very difficult to keep the wind out.
We have 4 children, they're all in high school. And so it's important for us to be able to have windows that are functional in our home without having to shake them and jiggle them because they're loose in the track, or having to slam them all the way because they won't close very well.
We had some family members come down and they said, hey, it looks like your windows might need to be cleaned. And I was like, no, they're just really that bad. So
that was the moment where we said, okay, we can't do this anymore. We can't use our windows, we're not enjoying it, and it's pretty obvious to the rest of the world how bad the windows are. I
different
found
companies?
some different searches for window companies. Our home value is important to us, and we wanted to have a really good curb appeal. And I think that having new windows is going to be an amazing investment.
So they did their research, checked Google reviews, and decided to give Window Nation a call.
Part of our research process was going online and researching a bunch of companies and looking at reviews.
Yeah, and the reviews for Window Nation was phenomenal, so that really stood out to us.
Window Nation's warranty was better than any of the other warranties that we looked at.
We like to start all of our free estimates with sitting down with the homeowner to really find out what's unique about them, their home, and their needs. We take time to really evaluate what windows are needed, what security issues they have, design questions. We have many different options that they can select from, different styles of windows, colors, designs for their doors that will help them feel secure, comfortable, and be more efficient within their home. They get to take advantage of a lifetime warranty, meaning that they ever have to worry about maintenance or concerns with the windows. I get to provide them with that peace of mind as we install that solution.
For the 26 windows at the Gocher residence, Window Nation is installing their standard universal windows, a smart choice for homeowners who want a real upgrade without breaking the bank.
When picking a vinyl window, make sure that you select one that's unplasticized or virgin vinyl, that has double or triple panes, has a low E technology that's current, modern, and up to date to provide you the most energy efficient window possible.
If you live in areas such as Florida or South Carolina that are prone to high winds, heavy rains, or severe weather, you may need something stronger. That's where hurricane strength impact windows and doors come in. ArmorView and New South windows, powered by Window Nation, are rated for Category 5 hurricane resistance thanks to their unique design. So look for advanced low-E UV blocking glass that'll help with heat reduction within the home. They should also have dual-action reinforced frames and impact-resistant glass. That'll help with noise reduction and added home security.
It looks so much more modern, it looks updated, so I think it's a huge improvement. So I was really pleased with the whole project.
With the installation complete, the Gochers couldn't be happier with the transformation.
Have some natural light. Let's open those up because you have screens. And I can open it with one hand. I can't believe it.
We are absolutely thrilled that we chose Window Nation to do our windows and French doors.
Yeah, they look phenomenal. Yeah, the whole process from the beginning to the end was top notch. It was fast, it was smooth, it was great. The final product is outstanding.
And I'm excited that there will be no more pain with our utility bills.
For more information on anything you've seen on today's show, or to be a part of the show, go to our website, designingspaces.tv.